Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi K40 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record the screen in this smartphone. So at the first you have to open your tools folder when you can find screen recorder. If you want to start record, just tap right here, then go for the screen that you want to capture. If you get it, tap on the button at the right bottom corner, and if you want to finish this record, tap here twice. And the record will be, you can find it in File Manager or on the screen recorder when you enter for it. As you can see, that's how the record looks. If you want to turn it off, just click here. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.